Feel the panic rising? Don't press that button. Welcome to the Panic Trader. We don't panic, we profit.
Hi, hello friends. We have come for Wednesday. So we can see what happened yesterday. Yesterday it was a very good manipulation happened yesterday. See there was a very big gap which we caused on Monday, which was being filled yesterday, and then got aggressive downside move, and then broke the structure and given a very good retracement here and tagged here in the order block. This was the last bullish candle, it was tagged, and then again caused a lower low. As of now, I'm negative in dollar index. In daily time frame, we can see. Let's drop down to this analysis. If you see yesterday's candle wicked from upside and closed inside the candle. So the next probable levels will be, this is going to be my primary, this one is going to be my liquidity. So I am replacing my premium discounts to yesterday's level. So if you see today it is opening around discounts, so most probable resistance will be yesterday's high. Yesterday's open will be a probable resistance. So if we see any reaction there, I will try to sell. Right as of now, I am weak in dollar index. In first half we can see small amount of buying for very good premium levels to achieve there, and then we can see selling. If you see last bearish candle which was breaking the structure was this candle's high, so it is going to be possible IRL. This is going to be a ARL. So I will disable the indicator so that you can be able to see levels clearly. So it is trading around weak open. My possible resistance is going to be above this levels. This is the last bearish candle which was broken the structures. So after getting manipulation from this end, I will see selling. Until then, we can see buying in dollar index. Next up, we can go for EURUSD. Since we are weaker in dollar index, we can see some sort of bullishness in EURUSD, GBPUSD and all. So I'm marking the previous day's open as a dotted lines, marking today's open. Okay, so like dollar index, we got the resistance from the previous day open. Now we can get supports from previous day's open in EURUSD. So we drop down in 1 hour time frame. Likewise, we marked the last bullish candle in dollar index. Last bearish candle dollar index, we can mark the last bearish candle in this EURUSD. If we see any reaction coming from this downside, and after the Asian session, if we get reaction in London session, we can target higher highs. Below this, we want to get any sort of manipulations. So that's all. Okay, levels are simple, so I'm explaining very quickly. Here is our official subscriber roadmap. When we hit 100 subscribers, we are kicking off our exclusive live streams. At 150 to 200, we will deep dive into the market, basic market analysis, market structures and confluence to sharpen your edge. Hit 300 and unlock advanced intraday market breakdown. At 400 subscriptions, we will tackle the ultimate hurdle, trader psychology and mindset, learning how to beat the panic. At 500 subscriber milestone, I will be dropping exclusive trading journals tailored for specific strategies. But wait, here is a bonus. Engage with the channel, drop your thoughts in the comments, and you could win a completely free intraday trading course. The faster we grow, the faster you unlock this benefit. Hit that subscribe button, join the panic trading community, and let's conquer the market together. GBP, it has created a very good CRT model. Previous day's lows has been taken, closed inside the candle. So possible targets will be, this high will be a possible target. This high, the previous day's high will be a target, very good target. Good supports, previous day's open will be a very good supports. So today's opening around premium. So in 1 hour time frame, you can see any other levels is possible. Yes, same like EURUSD. This last bullish candle's low has a lot of liquidity resting inside. So if we see any reaction from downside, we can see a first target of opening price and then second target of previous levels of highs. So very good levels in GBPUSD compared to EURUSD. GBPUSD is looking very good because we get a lot of levels, supportive levels in GBPUSD. Let's go for odd. Odd USD. Odd. Right off as of now, I'm not very good bullish in odd because this fair value has been tagged and it is trading inside the candle itself. It's not one previous candle also is like a hammer kind of pattern, not showing any clear signs. So if we see we can see in lower time frame whether we get any sort of levels for buying, because we are bearish in dollar index. We can see some sort of bullishness in USD pairs. So I don't see any other levels from odd. The primary levels I can see is this bullish candle low. Below this we can see a very good fair value gap there. So this is going to be possible IRL for me. So below this fair value gap is acting as a very good support. We will target the opening price as first one and the higher highs from the previous day's highs as a second target. So as of now, it is very good resistance upside. I will be seeing very small amount of targets in odd USD. Since it's a very narrow zones, I will be seeing very small levels in odd USD. If we see any market structure shift after reacting from here in 5 minutes time frame, I will be targeting the opening price as first one and previous day's open as a second target. That's all. Odd is, I am not going to trade odd today because there is a lot of indecisiveness. Here the order block has been tagged, but structure also is breaking this side, but this massive structure from upside not breaking yet. So I will be somewhat of cautious, but this level is going to be very intact. Below this level I will be seeing some sort of bullishness. Okay, I'm marking this as a very good demand, which is already triggered yesterday. So let's see the OT levels. We can get any levels from here. If we get any reaction from this OT levels, we will target higher rise. So NZDUSD, it is a very good CRT model. Compared to AUD, we can be very good sort of bullishness in NZD, since it has taken the previous day's highs and now it has taken the previous day's lows also. So it's trading in a very good zones. So I am now marking this opening price, today's opening price. It is near yesterday's opening price and near today's opening price, so I am not marking that levels. So let's see whether we get any levels in a 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame. It's okay. Marking the last bullish candle. This is going to be a equal lows week here week. So this is going to be a very good sort of liquidity here. So the double bottom now, all sort of things will be, there will be good support lines drawn here for a support and resistance traders. For that we will target that liquidity as a primary ones. Mostly I will be seeing this levels as a very good OBs. It's very good OBs, but primarily I want a reaction from here. If I get reaction and get a market structure shift in 5 minutes time frame, I will be targeting higher rise. If not, it is getting rejected, means this is going to be a very good support. This is very around 100 below. It's around 50 pips only difference. So let's see how the NZD pair is going to tell. But compared to AUD, I am very good. I am in a good state of bullishness in NZD, because this low has been taken here and created a good structure changes here, broken the structure upside. The possible level of liquidity will be below this end. If we get any sort of reaction from downside, we will be targeting higher rise. So next up, you can see USOIL. As I mentioned in USOIL, just achieve the target, both the target. I marked this target as a primary levels and this target as a secondary levels. Both the levels has been reached. Though it has reached the levels, still USOIL is trading around premium only. So, but we don't get a very good retracement for selling. So now I am marking the opening price as good levels. So marking next levels of downside movement is this low. $70 is going to be my next levels for USOIL. So in 1 hour's time frame, we can see it has not created any sort of structures upside, so it is going to lower lows. So if we want a very good break from this low here, break, after the break we want to enter there. After breaking that low, we want a reaction from the opening price. Again it has to come to opening price, and we want to get a rejection from the opening price for targeting lower lows. See, it's a very big levels. So around $5. Okay, it's more than 10%, I think so. Okay, see. If you see in USOIL, there is a very good fair value gap here. Very good fair value gap. So after breaking this structure only, we will see this fair value gap as a very good levels for selling. Since here is a fair value gap, here is a OB which has rejected. Only if this candle gets close to below this, we will confirm these levels and enter there. So next up, we go for XAUUSD. XAUUSD has shown some sort of strength since it was trading around very discounted part. But yesterday it was an inside candle, but a very good green candle. We wanted some liquidity for achieving higher highs. So let's see the levels as possible in lower time frames. 4 hour dropping down to 4 hours. Rejection from upside coming. 1 hour time frame. In 1 hour time frame, it has tagged the previous bullish candle and not created any structure break downside. This low has been taken but not breaken yet. So after a long consolidation, I will be seeing levels. Right now I don't get any levels in XAUUSD. I'm getting these levels. So only primary levels I will be seeing is this bullish candle's low. So I will say this, since I am weak in dollar index, only when we get any downside reaction from this level 4320, or else weak open. So we see in Monday there's a small tap only created higher high, but this hasn't created a very good levels. It was wicked and closed. So this is going to be primary levels. If we get reaction from this end, we will be targeting opening price and previous day's highs. If not, this level is going to be very good supports, weak open. So these are two levels I will be seeing XAUUSD. Let's go for BTC. BTC yesterday red candle was found. Since we were targeted this day FEG, day FEG has been fully filled and rejected from there yesterday. But yesterday closed below the Sunday's opening price. So I think there is some amount of liquidity from downside for us to see. I am deleting this level since it has been filled fully. Marking today's opening price. Yesterday opening prices will be also a good conference for selling. So I watch in the time frame. So there is a small break. A small break here. Created a big, not created a lot. It's going to be a very good sideways movement. So I'm marking this FEG in the opening price, which has already formed. So I will be seeing if the BTC is moving upside, I will be seeing selling from this end. If it is going downside, the possible low is going to be this zones, because this is a this rally's buying zones has not been very good, since this is a very good fair value gap. I'm marking this FVG's 50% as a good level of targets. If we get rejection from this fair value gap and yesterday's opening price, see around 1800 points, is visible in BTCUSD. So for that we want a reaction from yesterday's open. Let's see whether we get any good levels in BTC. But if we get reaction, I'm sure that it will be reaching this FEG for 64,500 levels. So hope all the instruments are covered. Hope this video will be useful for you. Before closing, we can see GIFTNIFTY. GIFTNIFTY is trading around, it's trading a higher rise. The possible liquidity is going to be in these levels. 24,150 is a possible levels. So right now it is trading around premium. No, it's trading around premium. Only if we reach the discounts, we will be targeting this. I think it's traded near equilibrium. Yes, just trading in equilibrium. But the previous day's highs has been taken. Let's see in 1 hour time frame. This 1 hour wick doesn't create a lower lows. Right? Either it is creating this fair value gap, reaction this fair value gap. So here in fair value gap, let's see in 5 minutes time frame that there is a structure shift. So mostly there is no structure shift yet, but this fair value gap has been tagged. Let's see whether any levels are taking from upside. Right now I will be targeting this levels 24,150 as a very good level for GIFTNIFTY. For clear explanation, it is a GIFTNIFTY. So let's see, I think in analysis we will be able to get some sort of trades in GIFTNIFTY. So let's see how we get fared here. Thank you all for watching this video. Hope you all found this video useful. Thank you all.